Well, hello guys. Welcome back to another episode of Everyday EDC. My name is Tyler, and today we are going to do an unboxing. Um, I apologize. Unboxings are really where I want to keep at for right now. As I said in some of my videos, I have experienced a little bit of the COVID-19, which is all right. Don't feel bad for me. We'll get through it, but it does leave me a little short-winded. Not to stop the content coming, this is a perfect opportunity for me to take. And it's also a perfect opportunity for me to carry what I want to carry at home. This is the Off-Grid Knife Scorpion. So, it's kind of interesting. You would think that being at home I should be spending more time with like knives to review and studying them. No, I'm going to carry the knives that really make me happy and, are just a joy for me to carry. Not that everything else isn't. I really want to carry this. I really want to carry my Super Freak. I haven't carried my Shaman in a while. You know what I mean? So that's what we're going to be doing this week. So, let us see what's in here. These, as usual, have come from somebody on Reddit. I purchased these. I'm kind of on a quest for a lot of these. You guys might already know what some of these are that are coming in, but let's take a look at this guy. Obviously, it's a Kershaw. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is the Kershaw Launch 1. Oh, yes. They have a Launch 1 through 13, and I'm trying to get my hands on each one of them. Why? Because I don't know. I really liked the Kershaw Launch 10, and I thought it would be a good idea to get them all and kind of see which is the better of all of them. Hey, don't do that. Is there anything else? And the good parent in me is letting my kid stick change in his mouth. Don't do that. You're making me look like a bad parent. So this is the Kershaw Launch 1. It's still in really good condition, actually. I'm really excited because this is a larger model. I got a couple of the smaller models coming in. And I'm not as excited about the small models just because I think the Launch 10 is the best small model there is without even seeing the others, just because the function is so incredible. But I'm going to get them all anyways, so let's see what this is all about. First of all, let's check the blade centering. Blade centering's almost dead on perfect. And here we go. Ooh, hold on. Ready? Do you guys see that fire? It shatters your hand. Like your hand... Oh, wow. This is nice. I really love how the handle swoops down like that. It has that almost bare knuckle kind of look to it with a little bit more rounded instead of, angular lines. And this shape, it's got this, what would you call this? Almost like a harpoon, kind of like a Spanto, I guess. Drop point style. Oh, it's just like it's a perfect blade shape. I mean, Kershaw's bare knuckle blade shape is like a sheep's foot style, but doesn't really look like a sheep's foot. It's hard to say, but this is a really, really, really nice blade shape. This is a really nice, ergonomically sound handle. And yes, I am a fan. I'm assuming, yep, CPM 154, just like all the other launch series. We have the flag here, as you know, made in America. And aluminum, which I'm assuming is 6061 aluminum, which is, like I said, a high mag, high silicon content aluminum. A little bit harder than some, not as hard as others. And yeah, we got this nice stonewash tumble finish blade here. Looking very, very nice. Blade play, none up and down, no back and forth. And it just... I really, really like this. I love the handle shape. Yeah, this thing's pretty cool. Let's see if I'm missing anything here. This pocket clip kind of like, it's like a no frills pocket clip, but it works. There's not, I don't have any problems with it. Let's see, hardware. There's not too much hardware. There's only 3 screws that look to be T6 on one side, and there's none on the other, which is actually really cool too. And then this thing is ambidextrous. So you can take this pocket clip, flip it over there. And yeah, I'm a fan, guys. Let's take a look here. Maybe he didn't sharpen it. That felt more like a rip. Let me get some paper out and actually test this guy. Which I don't care if it comes sharp. I enjoy sharpening either way. But, everybody's excited about the Launch 13 because it's like unique looking. It has that like Warncliffe style blade. I'm really liking these older styles with like this shape of a handle. I mean, I just think this is such a better ergonomically sound shape than the Launch 13. Then again, I haven't carried the Launch 13 at all. I just unboxed it and I have it sitting away when it's ready. I need a little stropping. I feel like there's a burr. Yeah, there might be a burr on that side. So that's why it's catching on some ends, not catching on others. But, it could use a touch up, but it's fairly, it's fairly sharp. Good to go. So this is the Kershaw Launch 1. Very unique handle shape for a size reference. Here is your off-grid knife Scorpion. As you can see, the Scorpion is a much more linear knife. But, just as a size reference, the Scorpion's freaking huge. Love this Scorpion. Love it. But yeah, this is cool. The reason I'm doing the Launch series too, I'm not trying to drag this on anymore because trust me, I don't want to. But if I want to, I just don't want to lose my breath. But the idea of me trying to do the Launch series is I really want to bring to light the Kershaw brand of Launch, because I've been so impressed with a lot of their models that I feel like they get overshadowed by ProTech way too much. And for knives that are only costing anywhere from $80 to $110 versus the $120 all the way up to $200, $300, there's guys out there that want something that ProTech gives, but they think ProTech's the only one that does it. And I'm here to tell you, based on my experience with any of the Launch series, even if I don't like the models, they're knocking it out of the park. So Kershaw deserves a big kudos in that fact. From having felt several different ProTechs and having felt a lot of these Launch series already, quality-wise, guys, I don't feel a massive difference. And this is comparing used Kershaws to brand new ProTechs and some used ProTechs. And I'm not knocking ProTech by any means. I'm just saying you don't have to live in that $150 to $200 range to get something similar to that. I think that's all I got. My name is Tyler. This has been Everyday EDC. You guys stay sharp, stay safe. Thank you guys honestly, genuinely so much for watching. Have a great day, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I genuinely appreciate it. Subscribe, like. I have a Patreon. If you're interested, check that out. In the Patreon, we're giving bi-monthly giveaways based on the number of patrons, and I also give great discounts on the knives that I review. So thank you guys again so much for being a part of this channel and the best part of this community. Have a great day, guys.